Hi guys, Darren from Venom Fluid Art. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express. Today we're doing a special where we have a collaboration with the Teabag collab. So, up first we had Grandma Kathy's Art Venture, followed by Taslima Maya Art, then Creations with Tonya, now me. After me we have Creations by Kristey, August Acrylic Art, ShanB Fluid Art, Creations from the Table, Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art, and last but not least, Tony the Hippy Dippy Painter Man. Hopefully Cat's with him, so stay on board and enjoy the ride. Okay, so what I've got here is a 12-inch flower that I've cut out of MDF. And what I'm going to do is add some colours in the middle. Now that's Magma Magenta. Right. I'll grab some satin yellow. Some Southern Ocean Blue by Matisse. Satin yellow. What else do we have? Proton purple. That. And last colour. What shall I pick? Good question, Wombat. I'll go with a blue. Another blue. Can't remember the name of this one. Alright, so we'll start with that. Gonna grab the black selector beta. Some down the middle here. Couple of scoops will do. Like that. Grab a little mini blower. Give it a blow. That. Then I'm going to grab a, what do you call it? Palette knife. Grab some white selector beta. And makes swipes down the sides there. Okie dokie. Grab my little skewer. Put some patterns around here. Then what I'm going to do is, through these bits, put some crazy patterns in. Alright, we'll go with that. A little bit across. Alright. So I want that in the middle of the spinner. Give that a spin. Pop that one up. That's in there, cool. So, tricky way of doing a bloom. Put a couple of swipey bits down at either point, just for some extra added feature to it. Alright, I'll do a flyover of that, get you a bit of a closer look.